Hi guys, it's Shannon
and I'm Brian.
And we're getting ready to build an IKEA table together.
Yeah.
So this is kind of on a whim, just throwing up a channel update for you guys because we do have some changes we kind of wanted to talk about.
Yep.
Some good, some bad, some just to let you know.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you noticed Friday that, again, I did not have a new tutorial for you. My usual schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. I put up either a haul video, a tutorial, shopping video, something at least. But for the whole month of June, I did not with the wedding and everything. And actually, I think that's gonna be a new thing. So I'm gonna try to stick with the Monday, Wednesday schedule. But not do Fridays, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you won't get 3 videos in a week, and actually next week you will. You still will get 3 videos, but it may not be on a Friday. So if you haven't yet, click the bell next to the subscribe button because then you get notified when bonus videos go up. But I still want you guys to know that Mondays and Wednesdays will be dedicated to videos here on the Daily DIYer channel. I do want to say that there is a reason that videos are not going to be going up on Friday though, and that's actually the good reason. You guys don't know now, but come the end of July, I will have a big announcement video, and there is a reason why I won't be posting videos here on Friday, but stay tuned because I hope you're all going to like the reason why.
I like it.
I think most people will probably like why we're not going to be posting videos here on Fridays, but you'll have to wait and see. Another announcement is my Etsy shop is finally reopened. I've gotten so many messages, so many people like waiting and wondering because I said the end of June and I kind of went into the beginning of July, but it is finally opened, so you can go to crossinmyheart.com and shop my decals and my stencils again. However, there is going to be an update with that too.
Yep.
Crossin was my previous name, and now we're married.
That's right.
So I'm now Shannon Hale. So with that, I thought, you know, an update to my Etsy shop name as well as the logo switch and all that will be happening. It is not right now, and you can still go to crossinmyheart.com and shop, and then that'll all just get switched over probably in the next few weeks. So just a heads up on that change. So that's basically our updates that I wanted to fill you all in on. So we're gonna go ahead and build our IKEA table, which is going to be an upcoming tutorial. So I hope you guys look forward to that. I am gonna kind of hack it a little bit. So I know you guys love IKEA hacks, so we're gonna get started on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not yet, subscribe, tell your friends to come subscribe. We still have lots of DIYs and tutorials coming your way. Actually, we will see you tomorrow, Monday,
Yep.
for a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Bye everyone.
Bye.